Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Healthy Kitchen 101. My name is Ben Nguyen, and today we are going to show you how to install the InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal. Let's go. So to install this disposal, we are going to use a generic 3-bolt mounting assembly. The parts will include a sink flange, a fiber gasket, a backup flange, a mounting ring, and finally the snap ring to secure everything. We are also going to use plumber's putty to create a seal around the sink flange before I go into the sink. For tools, we're going to use a power tool, a screwdriver, and a wrench to secure the lower mounting ring. And yeah, that's it. First thing you want to do is use the putty or any type of sealant to establish a seal between the flange and the sink. Make sure that you use plenty, especially with putty. When you put the flange in place, press firmly so that the substance fills up the gap. Then clean the excess sealant and use a heavy object to hold the flange still while you finish the rest under the sink. Here we use the disposal itself because it's quite heavy already. Go under the sink and remove the excess substance. Next, put the fiber gasket, the backup flange, and the mounting ring onto the flange on that order. Then use the snap ring to secure the whole assembly. The snap ring can be a little tricky, so take your time. Now use the screwdriver to tighten the bolts. The power tool speeds up the process, but it's not required if you don't have one. When you finish with the mount, hang the disposal on. With this particular disposal, rotate the body. We also rotate the ring. To finish up, use the wrench to secure the collar ring to the mount. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.